Hi, I'm Barry Coombs from Computer World and definetomorrow.co.uk. Just wanted to record a short video really, going with the trend that everybody tends to do this time of year, kind of just summing up where we've been for the year and what's going to kind of be coming in the year ahead within the world of IT really. I've also asked some friends in the IT community to give me some of their opinions, so what you'll see further down on the blog page on Define Tomorrow is some people that have also given me their thoughts and opinions on what they thought 2016 brought and what's going to likely happen in 2017. So first of all, if we start with a little bit of reflection really, and we look what's happened, and for me it was the year of let's take security seriously. No matter where I was, which conference I was at, whether it was a business conference rather than a technical conference, whether it was VMworld, everything ended up talking about security. We've seen a large number of exploits to some very big companies. We've also seen a lot smaller customers, the customers that I don't tend to deal with on a daily basis, being affected by security breaches, particularly ransomware and CryptoLocker and things like that. So that for me was the real main takeaway for 2016, but we've also seen it the year of the cloud starting to come of age. Certainly software as a service is now being considered as the primary way to roll out new business critical systems, and people are now started to consider how the cloud is going to take part in their business moving forward. What does that mean for 2017 and what should we be considering when we're making IT decisions moving forward? As Joe Bagley said at Define Tomorrow earlier on this year, our conference in Bristol, we really need to start with the users. We need to start thinking about why are we in business, what are we here to achieve, what do our customers want to be doing, and ultimately how do our users do that for our business. We need to be designing the systems to work for them, to make them as productive as possible. But we need to be doing that in such a way that security needs to be baked into everything we're doing, and it's got to be easy for them to be able to work in a secure manner. And the only way that can happen is via enablement. We need to enable our employees to work in that secure way with the systems where security has been built in from the start. I don't think in 2017 we're going to start seeing a mass shift of on-premise virtual servers moving to the cloud. I think we're in this hybrid world, and for me that is very much around software as a service being used as the primary way for our new business applications to move to the cloud, with our legacy applications largely staying on-premise today. But we're going to start to see other peripheries around DR as a service, backup, and things like that moving out to the cloud because it makes it more obvious, makes it easy to scale, maybe makes it a little bit simpler to manage. We're also seeing large changes around the workspace. We've got workspace transformation and digital transformation being spoken about a lot, and I think this is the year where people really need to start taking that seriously. Now that really doesn't mean that everyone's going to be adopting VDI. What that probably means is people just need to kind of man up to the fact that their users are going to be using their own devices. They do want to be working anywhere. Working from home, it's going to happen. People do it. So how can we make sure that they're secure and productive and using systems that we're supporting and not systems that they're going to be using moving forward? We're also going to see things start to come to fruition like the Dell EMC merger. We've been speaking that now for 18 months. It finally came together at the end of the year, and now we're going to really see what that means, see how that is going to shape up to best serve my customers, to best serve you and your IT needs. And I think it's a very difficult challenge as to how do you balance all the different levels of IT with the on-premise as well as the cloud-based infrastructures. So if I had a piece of advice to give somebody that was setting an IT strategy and IT budget, you've got to look at the key main aspects. What is your cloud strategy? What is your workspace transformation strategy? And how are you going to make sure your environment is more secure for your users, for your customer data, for the systems that you are managing and maintaining? And even if that's going off to the cloud, that doesn't get rid of your responsibility to manage that. So excited to see what 2017 has to bring, and make sure you check out the rest of the videos on Define Tomorrow.